Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. First I welcome you all. Today is our lecture number 13. Objectives of the lesson are: student will be able to solve system of linear equation by using Cramer's rule. Student will be able to find out determinants. Cramer's rule will give us unique solution to a system of linear equation if it exists. Unit number 1, exercise 1.6, question number 5 and 6. Solve the following word problem by using matrix inverse method and Cramer's rule. Here we have question number 5. One acute angle of right triangle is 12 degrees more than the twice of the other acute angle. Find the acute angles of the right triangle. Let's suppose the one acute angle is equals to x and the other acute angle is equals to y. So according to the statement, we have given that one acute angle is 12 degrees more than the twice of the other angle. So twice of the other angle is equals to y and then 12 more. So the statement become x is equals to 2y plus 12. Now make a linear equation. X minus 2y is equals to 12. This is equation 1. As we know that the sum of acute angles of the right triangle is equals to 90 degree. So x plus y is equals to 90. This is equation number 2. Now write the equations in the matrix form. This is matrix form. You have to solve the question by matrix inverse method and Cramer rule by yourself. Okay, now move on question number 6. Here we have question number 6. Two cars that are 6 kilometers apart are moving towards each other. Their speeds differ by 6 km per hour and the cars are 123 km apart after 4 whole 1/2 hours. Find the speed of each car. Okay, let's suppose the speed of first car is equals to x km per hour and the speed of second car is equals to y km per hour. As you know that s is equals to speed is equals to distance divided by time. So the distance will be equals to f into t. Speed multiplied by t. So the distance covered by first car in 9/2 hours equals to 9/2 x kilometer. Time multiplied by speed. Similarly, the distance covered by the second car in 9/2 hours equals to 9/2 multiplied by y. Time multiplied by speed. So according to the given condition, given statements, their speed differed by 6 km per hour. So we can write the x minus y is equals to 6. This is equation number 1. According to the statement, as the cars are moving towards each other, so the distance covered by both cars will be equal 9/2x plus 9/2y is equals to 600 minus 123. Because the cars covered the 123 km distance, so the remaining distance will be equal to 477 kilometers. Now the statement becomes x plus y is equals to 477 multiplied by 2/9 and the linear equation x plus y is equals to 106. This is equation number 2. Now write this equation in matrix form. You have to solve this by matrix inverse method and Cramer's rule by yourself. Okay, now move on. Review exercise. Question number 1. Select the correct answer in each of the following. Number 1. The order of matrix 2, 1 is dash. A 2/1, B 1/2, C 1/1 and D 2/2. So the answer will be B 1/2 because it has 1 row and 2 columns. Part 2. Under root 2, 0, 0 and under root 2 is called dash matrix. A 0, B unit matrix, C scalar matrix or D singular. So as you can see, the diagonal values are same, so this is scalar matrix. Now part 3, which is order of square matrix. As you know that the square matrix, in square matrix the order of in number of rows and the number of columns are same. So the order will be 2 by 2. Part 4. Order of the transpose of this is dash. When we take the transpose of the given matrix, we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So the answer will be B, 2 by 3. Part 5. Adjoint of 1, 0, 2 and minus 1 is equals to dash. You know that in adjoint of matrix, we change the diagonal values, replace the diagonal values and change the sign of diagonal values. So the answer will be A, minus 1, minus 2, 0 and 1. The product of x, y, 2 minus 1 is dash. Multiply 2 with x, 2x, y with minus 1, minus y. So the correct answer will be 2x minus y. Now part 7, if 2, 6, 3x is equals to 0, then x equals to, cross multiply करें 2 into x, 6 into 3, 2x is equal to, x is equals to 9. So the correct option is A. Part 8, if x plus minus 1, minus 2, 0 and minus 1 is equals to 1, 0, 0 and 1, then x equals to dash. जब इस मैट्रिक्स को A जो x के साथ मैट्रिक्स है, जब हम इसको इक्वल के ऑपोजिट लेके जाएंगे तो इसका साइन नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. जब आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपके पास आएगी वो होगी D, 2, 2, 0 and 2. Now homework, do the question number 5 and 6 by Cramer rules and matrix inverse method and do the review exercise. You have to do these 2 questions and review exercise. This is your homework. Thank you.